Igbo mama ndi buying dalu no. Afam Ngozika. None. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika, the typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are all welcome to my channel. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the remaining part of the 15 names of animals in Igbo, just like I promised you in the previous video. Yes, I made that promise and I'm fulfilling it right now. But before we delve into what we have for today, if you're a returning subscriber, I'm grateful, I'm thankful, thank for returning. And if you're a new visitor here, you are welcome. We're going to have fun together. But before that, please, at the end of this video, share, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Good. Thank you. So animals. Anumanu. Anumanu animals. Animal anumanu. Anumanu animal and animal. Then anumanu for animals. That's plural, singular and plural. Very good. Today let's continue with let's start with a goat. Number one on the list today, a goat. A goat generally is ewu. It's generally pronounced ewu. It's generally pronounced ewu. A goat. Ewu. A goat. Ewu. But there's something here. There's a separation here. We have masculine and feminine when it comes to ewu. For the male, it's called ngbi. Ngbi. And for the female, ne ewu. Ne ewu. For the male, ngbi. And for the female, we have ne ewu. So generally, ewu is a goat, but trying to differentiate between the male and the female, you say ngbi for the male and ne ewu for the female. Yes. The next one, grass cutter. Grass cutter. Inchi. 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 Grass cutter. Grass cutter. Grass cutter. Inchi. 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 Very good. The next one is guinea pig. Guinea pig. Guinea pig. Okay, beke. Okay, beke. Okay, beke. We have a tortoise. A tortoise. A tortoise. This one is also separated between the male and the female. A female tortoise is called anum. Anum. And the male tortoise, mbe. Mbe. The female anum and the male mbe. Very good. The next one we have turtle. You know turtle? Turtle, the one that lives in the water. The one, yes. Turtle. Mbe mmili. Mbe mmili. Tortoise lives on land. Tortoise live on land. And the turtle inside the water. So, turtle. Mbe mmili. Mbe mmili. For turtle. We have chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Ozo dimba. Ozo dimba. Ozo dimba. Ozo dimba is chimpanzee. A chimpanzee. A chimp. Ozo dimba. Ozo dimba is chimpanzee. We have hyena. 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 Nkitofia. 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 Yes. Nkitofia is for hyena. Hyena. Nkitofia. Nkitofia. Or Nkitofia, depending on your dialect. But from where I come from, it is pronounced Nkitofia. When you say Nkitofia, you are right. When you also say Nkitofia, you are still correct. Very good. We have snail. Snail. Ejune. 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 That is snail. Snail. Now we have chameleon. 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 Ogumagana. Ogumagana is for a chameleon. A chameleon is pronounced Ogumagana. 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 How many syllables? Ogumagana. Ogumagana. Chameleon. The next one we have a shrew. You know what a shrew is? A shrew, that's a mole-like, you know that mole-like rat? Yes, that have this, ew, that awful smell. Yeah, in Igbo, we call it nkaku. Nkaku. A shrew, nkaku. 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 It has this yuck, awful smell. But then, Nkaku is the name. Nkaku. Very good. The next one we have a camel. A camel. Inyinya. Ibu. You know, Ibu. Ibu has to do with load. You know, Inyinya. In Igbo, Inyinya is a horse. So a camel, Inyinya Ibu. Inyinya Ibu. Normally it's used as a beast of burden. Yeah, it helps people to, you know, in carrying their loads and even humans. Yeah. Inyinya Ibu. Inyinya Ibu. Inyinya Ibu is a camel. Very good. Now we have a hippopotamus. 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 Utobo, sorry. Utobo. A hippopotamus. Utobo. It sounds funny, right? Yes, but that's what it's called. It is called utobo. A hippopotamus. A hip, you know? Hippopo. Utobo. Hippopotamus. Utobo. Very good. Very good. Now we have a wolf. You know the wolf? Yeah. A wolf. Agu owulu. Agu owulu. Agu owulu has to do with a wolf. A wolf. Agu owulu. A wolf. Agu owulu. We have crab. Nshiko is a crab. Nshiko or nsiko. But from where I come from, it is pronounced nshiko. Nshiko. For what? A crab. The next one we have a wild kego. Agono. A wild kego. Agono. For a wild kego. We have a crocodile. Aguiyi. A crocodile. Aguiyi. A crocodile. We have aguiyi. Good. Now we have a deer. ene, 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 a deer, ene, a deer. The next one we have a ram, ebune, ebune, a ram, ebune, a ram, ebune. We have a python. You know, a python is the name of a snake, a kind, yes. Python, a python, a python. A python is eke, 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 eke. Then we have an earthworm. You know what an earthworm is? Idide. An earthworm is called idide. 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 Difficult? No? They're all simple. Just give it time. A step at a time. Like I always say. Relax your mind. Just remain focused. Don't be too serious. Just remain focused. And it's going to be easy for you. An earthworm. Idide. An earthworm. Idide. Then we have a worm itself. A worm. Okbo. Okbo. A worm. Okbo. But an earthworm, that is specifying the kind of worm you're talking about. An earthworm is idide, while worm is called okbo. Then the next one we have a cricket, abuzu, abuzu, a cricket, abuzu, abuzu. It's a cricket. You know that one? You know that sound of a cricket? Yes, abuzu, a cricket. And the last but not the least for today, we have a bat. Also, also a bat. Also a bat. Also a bat. I think that will be the last for today. I hope we've learned a lot. Yes, but before I leave, please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yes, hit the subscribe button as well, the notification bell, turn it on, so that when I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. You can as well share. Yeah. Thank you very much for your time. In the next video, we are going to look at names of birds. Yes. Domestic birds, wild birds, all kinds of birds. Thank you very much for watching. I'm still your girl, Ngozika. Kemesiano. See you next time.